Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to run your projects on the same network so you can access it from different devices, like it can be tablets, smartphones or another devices. So follow these steps and these steps will allow you to do the same. Step number 1. Make sure you are running your project on your local machine. Now it can be your XAMPP or WAMP server. So this is the step number 1. Step number 2. Make sure that your firewall isn't blocking your IP addresses or your ports. So how to do this is that go to your start menu and just write down firewall. So here we go. Click on your Windows Defender firewall with advanced security and then go to the inbound rules and then go to the new rule. Now for this you will have to select port. Now our XAMPP server is using the Apache port number of 80. Now you have to mention the same thing here and write down 80. Go next. Now allow the connections, next, and take all these options, next, and you can write a name here. I will write the XAMPP finish. Now close this. Now just suppose that this is my another PC or it's your smartphone, whatever. Now you can write out your IP address slash your project name. It will open your same project. Now how to find out your IP address is that go to the IP config inside your CMD and it will find out your IP address. You can see 192.168.1.22. Now you can go to the other PC and you can write down this 192.168.1.22 slash. Now this is my database name and just write down enter. As you can see that I can access my database or my projects from other PC very easily. So this is how you can do this. Now you can open this in your smartphone or your tablets, but just make sure that you all are connected to the same network. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment for us. Thank you so much.